Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be solving the quadratic equation 3 times x squared plus 2 times x minus 1. Quadratic equations can seem daunting at first, but by following a few simple steps, we can easily solve for the value of x. Stay tuned as we walk through the step-by-step process of solving this quadratic equation. Let's get started. First, we start with the quadratic equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. The goal in step 1 is to alter the expression to find the factors of the quadratic equation. To begin, we need to multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is 3, by the constant term, which is minus 1. This results in minus 3. Now, we look for two numbers that multiply to minus 3 and add up to the coefficient of the middle term, which is 2. These two numbers are positive 3 and minus 1. Next, rewrite the middle term, which is 2x, using these two numbers. So, the middle term 2x is expressed as positive 3x minus 1x. This alteration transforms the original equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 into 3x squared plus 3x minus 1x minus 1. Next, we proceed to step 2. The goal here is to factor by grouping. The current form of our altered equation is 3x squared plus 3x minus 1x minus 1. In this step, we group the terms in pairs to facilitate factoring. The first pair of terms is 3x squared plus 3x. And the second pair is minus 1x minus 1. Now, we factor out the greatest common factor from each pair. For the first pair, 3x squared plus 3x, the greatest common factor is 3x. So, we take out 3x, leaving us with x plus 1. For the second pair, minus 1x minus 1, the greatest common factor is minus 1. By factoring out minus 1, we again have x plus 1 remaining. As a result, the expression is rewritten as 3x times x plus 1 minus 1 times x plus 1. Notice that x plus 1 appears in both terms, allowing us to factor it out. Thus, the quadratic expression transforms into x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. These are the factors of the original quadratic equation. This concludes step 2. And since we have successfully factored the quadratic expression, it is also the final step. The fully factored form of the equation 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 is x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.